Welcome to Bites of Blessings, where we teach you to build your website one bite at a time. Today's episode is about SSL certificates. SSL certificates stand for Secure Socket Layer. It's like a police escort between the information from the computer you're looking at a site from to the hosting server that has your website on it. It protects things like credit card information, usernames and passwords, even things just like comments. It also helps protect you from having people breaking into your computer. Over here on Namecheap, you can see that they have a variety of different SSL options that start at under $10 and actually go into the hundreds of dollars. And that's because there are three basic types of SSL certificates. There's domain validation, which makes sure you own the domain name. Organizational validation, which contacts the party seeking certification to make sure they're legit and real. And extended validation. This is the green bar that everybody talks about. They make sure you're a legal entity, they do annual audits, and they do public record checks. All of this helps the consumer feel safe. Now, if you want to sell something, definitely go for an extended validation or EV. But if you're just doing a blog, putting YouTube videos on, something like my site does here, a basic domain validation should be sufficient. We're going to check out some here to compare. And as you could see here, they have different levels of protection. They secure your site whether or not you're using www. Which may or may not be important to you, but it really is something that you need to consider. They have mobile support, which is essential in today's day and age. So many people buy things from their phones. They show the level of assurance. This has everything to do with the level of validation that it provides. Domain is the basic, and we're going to look at one of the basics, the positive SSL, and see what it offers. Now, if you have any concerns about whether or not it will meet your needs, contact your hosting company and work with them to find out. But assuming that this is what you need, let's add it to cart, and we'll just keep it for 1 year and select confirm order, and then all you need to do is log into your account and continue the purchase. The next time we're going to talk about installing SSL certificates. So until then, bye bites.